Welcome back, guys. Today I am going to show you how to install a bathtub. Firstly, pull up the old subfloor with a hammer or pry bar. Remove nails or pound them into the joists. Apply liquid nail to the joists and nail down the new subfloor. Add a second layer if needed. Now dry fit the tub and mark its position. Build a main wall and pony wall, ensuring studs are 16 inches on center. Mark the drain position and cut the subfloor accordingly. Now pre-assemble the waste overflow with clear silicone on all parts and secure the overflow bracket, being careful not to over-tighten. Just assemble the drain pipe with a slip knot and PVC fitting, and use Mapai's mud bed mix to embed the tub in mortar for stability. And finally, all you have to do is to secure and level the tub. Press the tub down into the mortar and check for level. Pre-drill holes in the tub lip and secure it to the studs within 2-inch galvanized screws. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Your bathtub is ready and positioned. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.